Hey, do you know IPMAT is not a game of selection but elimination? आप इस एग्जाम के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं वो तो मैटर करता ही है, but what matters more is how others are preparing for the same. How do you tackle this situation? The answer to that and a key ingredient in every IPM student's journey is mocks. And keeping that in mind, AceIPM is coming up with its All India IPMAT mock tomorrow, 28th of March between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m.
What you can say, distressed when I saw the question paper because I like ये तो पहले करके आ रखे.
Actually terrified by my performance.
ये सब सुन के ना just regret हो रहा है कि मैंने ये साइड क्यों नहीं लिया था.
पहले जो पहला मॉक दिया वो ऑल इंडिया मॉक था एस का, उसमें प्राइज मनी वगैरह भी था. मुझे लगा था देते हैं कुछ भी आ जाए.
This mock will follow the exact same pattern to that of IPMAT Indore, be it in terms of difficulty or in terms of exam interface. We will also be having a very in-depth live analysis session for the same mock later in the evening. And best of all, we have cash prizes available up for grabs worth 32,000 rupees for the top 40 attempts. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to aceipm.com. Link is down in the description. Register for the mock. Be there tomorrow from 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. And let's make sure that you are acing IPM with AceIPM. Thank you.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on AceIPM.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and AceIPM. Thank you.